Before we begin, I encourage you to like this post, follow our page, and subscribe to the Fact Grid for more compelling content. Today, we journey to the east, to a nation forged in the fires of adversity, Japan. This island nation, known for its rich culture, technological prowess, and economic strength, holds a history marked by both triumph and tragedy. Our focus lies in a particularly challenging chapter, Japan's experience during World War II. This period tested the nation's spirit, pushing it to the brink of devastation. Yet, from the ashes of conflict, Japan rose, demonstrating remarkable resilience and carving a path toward becoming the global power we know today. World War II cast a long shadow over Japan, impacting every facet of life. The war effort demanded immense resources, leaving the nation grappling with shortages of essential goods. Food, clothing, and medicine became scarce, impacting the daily lives of ordinary citizens. The impact extended far beyond material scarcity. Families were torn apart as men were conscripted into the military, leaving women, children, and the elderly to shoulder the burden on the home front. The constant threat of air raids loomed over cities, creating an atmosphere of fear and uncertainty. The human cost of war was staggering. Historians estimate that between 2.5 million and 3.1 million Japanese citizens perished during World War II. These figures encompass military personnel killed in action, as well as civilians who lost their lives due to bombing raids, starvation, and disease. The atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 1945 remain etched in history as stark reminders of the devastating toll of war. These events resulted in an estimated 129,000 to 226,000 immediate deaths, with countless others succumbing to radiation sickness and long-term health complications in the years that followed. Section 4: Rising from the Ashes. The end of World War II found Japan in ruins, its economy shattered, its cities devastated, and its people grappling with the trauma of conflict. However, amidst the rubble and despair, the spirit of resilience flickered. The Japanese people, known for their strong work ethic and unwavering determination, embarked on a remarkable journey of recovery and reconstruction. The road to recovery was arduous and demanded immense sacrifice. The nation, once a formidable military power, embraced pacifism, enshrined in its post-war constitution. This pivotal decision allowed Japan to redirect its resources and energy towards rebuilding its infrastructure, revitalizing its economy, and fostering social healing. Section 5: A Legacy of Resilience. Japan's transformation from the ashes of World War II stands as a testament to the indomitable spirit of its people. The nation embraced innovation, technological advancement, and a commitment to education, propelling it to become an economic powerhouse. Japanese companies, known for their quality products and manufacturing prowess, emerged as global leaders in industries ranging from automobiles to electronics. The legacy of this period extends beyond economic prosperity. Japan rebuilt its infrastructure, creating modern cities with efficient transportation systems and sustainable urban planning. The nation invested heavily in education and healthcare, fostering a highly skilled workforce and a healthy population. Section 6: A Global Powerhouse. Today, Japan stands as a beacon of peace, prosperity, and technological advancement. Its story serves as a reminder that even in the face of unimaginable adversity, the human spirit can endure and overcome. The nation's journey from wartime devastation to global prominence is a testament to the power of resilience, innovation, and a shared commitment to progress. Japan's story is an inspiration to the world, a testament to the boundless potential that lies within every nation and every individual to overcome adversity and achieve greatness.